Hello friends, this is Ranish Kumar and I am very pleased to be here with today's word, and I hope everything is going well and you are doing well. Today word we have pharmacology. This word which is derived from two Greek words. First we have pharmakon, another we have logos. Pharmakon, it means drug. On the other hand, logos mean study. Thus, we come to this point or conclusion: pharmacology is the study of drugs which produces or which produce some effect on living system, or we can easily say the branch of science in which we study drugs effect on living system or biological system. Thus we can say whenever we take a drug, it produces some effect on a body which prevent, diagnose or treat a particular disease. It may be a desirable or undesirable, or we can say therapeutic or adverse effects. As well as in pharmacology, we study drug interactions, their side effects, drug doses as per different ages, as well as patients' conditions, and mechanism of action, how the drug work whenever we take it for a particular disease. As well as in pharmacology, we can easily subdivide in two parts. First, we have pharmacokinetics. On the other hand, pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics, it means what the drug does to the body. Whenever we take a drug, because why we take a drug? We all of them know whenever we become ill, we take a drug to treat, prevent or disease. Thus, we can say easily pharmacodynamics, it means what the drug does to the body. We can easily simply say drug help to treat, prevent or diagnose a particular disease or disorder of a body of a living organism. And this all the things happen by the complex formation, receptor and drug complex formation. Whenever drug and receptor complex formed, then we get a desirable effect of a particular drug. On the other hand, pharmacokinetics, it means what the body does to the drug. We all of them know very well about whenever we become ill, we take a drug. It is or pharmacokinetics, it involves 4 steps in which a drug first absorb and second distribute and further metabolize and lastly excrete. In absorption, we study or we know or discuss about how the drug is absorbed into our body, and further this drug become distribute. In distribution, we study or know about how the drug is absorbed throughout the body, and further this drug become metabolized, in which or in metabolism we study how the body break down the drug, and further this drug become or excrete through our body. In excretion, we study about how the drug is excreted through our body, or we can say how the drug is excreted through our excretory system, and or as well as pharmacokinetics also tell us different things, as we can say it tell or it tells us drug half life, drug dose level in our bloodstream or body, as well as bioavailability. This is the complete, or we can say a simple definition of pharmacology. Once again, what is pharmacology? Pharmacology, it is derived from two Greek words. First we have pharmakon, it means drug. On the other hand, logos means a study. Thus we come to this point or conclusion: pharmacology is the branch of science in which we study of drug with their different aspects, as drug doses as per different patients condition as well as their age, contraindication, mechanism of action. We study in pharmacology for treat, prevent, diagnose a particular disease on of a living organism or on a biological system. We can say this is the definition of pharmacology. That's all I wanted to discuss in today's lecture or video. The word today was pharmacology. Thank you. धन्यवाद.